So, you wanna start working out, but you're not very sure about how to do that. You don't know whether you have to start in the gym or if you can do it at home. You don't know what exercises to do and how to do them. And so this is why you're watching this video. So now, whether or not this is your first video on how to start working out, it does not matter, because I want this to be the last one you watch. So now, to answer all of your questions, I've got an action step for you. Right now, go and do one push-up. Just go and do one push-up. You don't have to do much, just this one simple action. Please pause this video now and go and do it. Now, if you haven't done it yet, please close this video and go and rethink your life. Now, if you have, congratulations, you're on your way to becoming a stronger person, both physically and mentally. So now, why did I tell you to do that one push-up? Well, actually, you don't have to be watching this video right now. You already know what you have to do to start working out. You already have some exercises in your mind that you know you can do. You don't need a gym membership. You don't need anything to start. All you need is a mind and some exercises to do. You do know that you can do push-ups. You know you can do pull-ups. So why don't you do them? In reality, you don't need to be watching this video right now. You can just go and start working out right away. But I guess you do want to know some things before we begin. So, let me tell you what you have to know. So, first of all, the where. So, you wanna start working out. What does that even mean? Where do you begin? The first thing you need to think about is where you wanna work out. As I've already said, you don't need to begin the gym. You don't need a gym membership to start working out. You can even start at home or outside. If you're a complete beginner and you're still weak, you don't have to go to the gym. While you still don't have much strength, your body weight is enough to build your muscles. You don't need weights to begin. So, if you don't have access to a gym, then it's fine to work out at home. Then after a few months of training, you will begin to gain some strength, and you may want to get a gym membership. But for now, don't think about it. Just choose a place where you want to work out. It does not matter where, just pick something that you feel comfortable with. Now the next thing, the what. So, you've chosen a place where you want to work out. Now what's next? You have to do something here. You have to do an exercise. Now, how do you know which exercise you should do? As a beginner, you don't have to think about that. As I've said, you can just go and do anything. You can just go and do some push-ups. You can go and do some pull-ups. It's still progress. And it's actually what I recommend. Because if you spend your time watching videos like this one, you're not going to be making much progress while you wait. You have to learn to take action before you learn. Because if you keep watching videos on how to work out, on how to begin working out, eventually you may get stuck in a cycle of watching and not actually practicing what you learn about. So basically, what I'm saying is that you don't have to worry about what you do in the gym or at home, wherever you work out. Just go and do something. That's still progress. But if you do want to know what to do, you should pick a routine. Just go on Google and search gym routine, push-pull legs routine. Don't overthink it. Just pick any routine you see that looks good. I personally recommend you choose a push-pull legs routine. You don't have to worry about what that means right now. Just go and pick a routine. Now, the next thing and the last thing you have to know as a beginner is the how. How do you do these exercises that you've chosen? And for that I'll say, once again, do not worry about it much. I'll repeat this once again. As a beginner, you don't have to worry about things. The most important thing is to start. You don't have to know the correct technique of an exercise to begin doing it, because you're not even using much weight. It's hard to injure yourself when you're using light weights or even your body weight. However, if you do want to know how to use proper technique, I recommend you do this. Before every workout that you do, go and watch a few videos on the technique of the exercises that you're about to do. For example, you want to do some push-ups, or some bench press, or some pull-ups. It doesn't matter. Just go into YouTube and search how to do pull-ups, how to do push-ups, how to do bench press correctly. Just go and watch a few videos, memorize the technique, and then go and practice it during your workout. So, I don't want to overwhelm you with information, because you're just a beginner, and as I've said, you don't have to worry about much. The most important thing is to take action. I cannot emphasize this enough. So for now, this is it. If this is your first time working out, and you're serious about building a habit of doing that, then get ready, because a new life is about to begin for you. This is it. Take care.